Ever since I got my Mark 1, I wanted to paint this wiper arms. That silver that bothered the crap out of me. Let's go YouTube magic. I have taken off the wiper arm. I'm going to sand it, so like you guys can see, it needs a little bit of attention. I'm here in my shed. Because it's windy and cloudy outside, but it's nice and warm inside here because the sun is baking this place the whole day. So I'm going to matte black. Paint my wiper arms. That's the plan. And the dogs, they are playing also. So yes. Like I painted without ventilation, so I'm nice and high now. Like you guys see, the first coat it's on, so I'm going to leave it for about an hour, and then I'm going to paint the second coat on it. This wiper here must come up a little bit more. I don't want to faff a lot with it. I want the paint to dry nicely, then I can adjust it. I will show you guys now on that Mark 1. This one it's more straight. Yeah, and this one it's like this. I'm going to give mine a day or two, then I will adjust my wiper blade also, or my wiper arm again. And then these I also want to make black on my daily. My late father, he painted it green, so that's the plan also.